Good morning and welcome back. Today we have Shelley Tatum, the manager of Women's Services at Piedmont Macon Medical Center, joining us. Thank you for being here today.
Thank you for having me.
I'm excited because we have a really important topic. We are talking about Breastfeeding Awareness Month. And so I want to talk about this. I have a few questions for you.
Okay.
Why is breast milk the optimal choice for babies? What is your insight on that?
So the breast milk is a complete food source for a baby. It has all the vitamins and minerals. It has the antibodies needed to help support that baby in the early months of life.
Wow, and so it really is crucial. Now, what are the benefits of breastfeeding for mom and baby? What does that look like?
So for the mom, there's many benefits to breastfeeding. It helps with the bonding of the baby. It helps decrease their risk for postpartum hemorrhage and postpartum depression. It also decreases their risk of cardiovascular disease and diabetes, and then even decreases their risk for breast and ovarian cancer later in life.
Wow, and what does that benefit for baby?
So for the baby, it helps promote healthy brain development. It is noted that babies that breastfeed have a slightly higher IQ than the babies that don't, and it decreases their risk for ear infections, for asthma, for pneumonia, also for diabetes and obesity in children.
Wow, that is incredible. Now, what is the biggest myth about breastfeeding? What do you want to debunk?
So a lot of people think that it's just a natural process, that it's easy. And oftentimes, although it is a natural process, it does take work. It takes patience. It takes that mama learning the baby learning how to latch on and things like that. And so sometimes it just requires support and practice.
I think that's big. A lot of patience does come with it. Now, why do some women stop breastfeeding so quickly after being discharged from the hospital? Can you talk about that?
Sure. So oftentimes, the moms have lack of support is one reason. Going back to work early is another reason. Lack of knowledge and just not knowing that if they have enough milk supply built up for that baby to feed. So that causes them a lot of times to resort to other alternative feedings.
All right, and I want to ask, what services does Piedmont Macon provide for helping mothers who are breastfeeding? What can you tell us?
Sure. So all of our nursing staff have lactation support training. We do have a lactation nurse on staff that's there Monday through Friday. We have in-house lactation. We have outpatient services. So if we have a mom that's struggling after discharge, she's more than welcome to come in and meet with our lactation consultant and go over maybe latching issues or some feeding issues with baby. And we also offer monthly breastfeeding classes to the community, and those are all free of charge.
And I want to talk about, I have 2 kiddos, number 3's on the way. Sometimes it's hard, it's just is kind of tricky. It's, it's new, you're figuring it out. What do you want to tell moms who are struggling to figure out how to do it or, needing that encouragement? What do you want to tell those moms who are trying to figure this out?
Sure. So just reach out, ask the questions, reach out to the support that we have at Piedmont and educate yourself early on. So do attend those free classes. It's helpful to have that knowledge ahead of time to know what to expect when the time comes for you to deliver.
I love that. And for those classes, you did mention they're free. Do people just walk in? Do they sign up? How does that work?
They can go to piedmont.org and sign up for the free community classes, or they can call our office at 478-765-4615 and let them know they want to sign up for the breastfeeding classes.
All right. And they don't have to deliver at Piedmont, or they do?
They do not have to deliver at Piedmont.
Free classes
for all the community, as well as the outpatient services as well. They don't have to deliver with us either.
Wow. If you'd like to find out more about Breastfeeding Month, head on over to our website, 41nbc.com.